Supported self-management. Prostate cancer pathway. Introduction. The way you receive your prostate cancer follow-up care is changing. We want to support you to live with your condition. The Supported Self-Management Pathway provides an online patient service to enable you to have more control and ownership in the management of your follow-up care. You can find out more about what supported self-management is in our video, What is Supported Self-Management? This video will provide details of how you can manage your prostate cancer follow-up care, outlining what you can expect. It may also be helpful and reassuring to family and friends who want to support you. In this video, we will cover: what is prostate-specific antigen testing? What is My Medical Record? Accessing your PSA results. What is a health checklist? Signs and symptoms, what to look out for. Signpost you to more information and support. What is prostate-specific antigen testing? Prostate-specific antigen testing is referred to as PSA. It's a blood test that measures the amount of protein produced by normal cells in the prostate and by prostate cancer cells. It's normal to have a small amount of PSA in your blood, and this is measured in nanograms, a billionth of a gram, per milliliter of blood. A PSA blood test is a very effective way of monitoring your progress during or after treatment. What is My Medical Record? You'll be given the opportunity to sign up to a patient online service called My Medical Record. You can access this from a device that connects to the internet, such as a computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone. My Medical Record will allow you to view your PSA test results, contact your healthcare team via electronic message, complete health checklists, view online health information to support you to manage your condition. If you're not online, there is support available to help you in getting online. You can get more information from your healthcare team and involve family members or friends to support you. Accessing your PSA results. You'll get a reminder when your blood test is due and will be sent a blood form. The test can be carried out at your hospital, GP surgery, or local clinic, and your healthcare team at the hospital will be notified of the result. Your blood test results will be ready for you to view on My Medical Record as soon as they're available, without the need for you to wait until your outpatient appointment. If you have any concerns, you can contact the healthcare team via My Medical Record or by telephone. The team will contact you via My Medical Record or by telephone if they need to discuss your PSA result with you. Your healthcare team work between normal office hours, Monday to Friday. Your healthcare team will not be available during evenings, weekends, or bank holidays. We ask that if you choose to access your results outside of these hours, to be mindful that the team will not be available to answer queries. Your healthcare team will aim to respond to you within 48 hours, excluding bank holidays and weekends. What is a health checklist? A health checklist is a questionnaire that provides your healthcare team with the information to give you the right support to manage your condition. You can complete your health checklist on My Medical Record. You'll be asked to complete a health checklist when you first enter the supported self-management pathway. If at any point you experience any changes to your symptoms or have any concerns, then you should complete a new health checklist so a member of the healthcare team can get in touch to discuss this with you. Signs and symptoms. What to look out for. It's important for you to be aware of the following symptoms. They don't mean the prostate cancer is more active or has returned. They may be due to side effects of treatment or completely unrelated to your condition. Symptoms to look out for include bone pain, blood in stools, bowel problems, blood in urine, new or worsening incontinence, changes in passing urine, and unplanned weight loss. Symptom videos are available on My Medical Record, on the Supported Self-Management webpage, or from your healthcare team. We encourage you to watch these ahead of completing your health checklist. If you have any concerns, contact your healthcare team through My Medical Record or by telephone. Patient Handbook. You'll receive a patient handbook supporting you throughout your supported self-management pathway. The handbook will provide you with information and where to go for support. Key information includes: what is a supported self-management pathway, information about your healthcare team, details about the patient online service, My Medical Record, what is an education workshop, links and resources to help you get online, living with prostate cancer, useful links and contacts. Further support. This video has provided you with an overview of your pathway. Your healthcare team will give you further support to help you. You'll also have an option to attend an educational workshop, either face-to-face or online, that will give you more information. Information is available on My Medical Record and on the Supported Self-Management webpage. Or you can contact your healthcare team. Thank you.